Hello, it's me, Dee Sparta, and I'm here from Lunar Blessings, and welcome to this channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe, share this video. If you saw this video, what we're doing here is it's a pick a card tarot, and there's 3 choices, and I will put up the cards so you can look at it. There's a crystal for each pile. There's pile 1 is the first one to the left, pile 2 is the middle, and pile 3 is the last one to the right. Now, question, it's that time of year, I really feel, when you start remembering people and things and wondering, hey, should I reach out to them? Are they thinking of me? What is going on? What's going on with that? Is this something I should just let go or take an action on? So we're asking that today. To start out, everywhere, you close your eyes, let out a deep breath, and inhale, and focus on these crystals. Sometimes that helps, or the number is standing out to you, a color. See what's coming out. Take a few moments to think on this. And then pick your pile. I will have timestamps down below for each pile for you to choose from. So without further going on and on, I want to say further ado, but everybody says that, don't they? I've noticed that. Anyway, let's head on over. We're going to start out with pile 1. My lovely pile 1, how are you doing? So there's someone on your mind and you're like, what should I do? Well, as you can see here, the kind of identifier, the card, those sets, everything is the moon for you. Now the moon, I'll hold this up for you. This is, I feel there's a lot, some things are not known. There's some hidden truths, things that need to come out, and you need to follow this intuition. So you need to rely, trust in your gut, listen to yourself, because when you're dealing with this situation, there's, it seems like a lot of work done and feeling success. This person you looked up to, probably because they were so successful. They had, here's the king of, this was the 9 of Cups. Okay. But the King of Pentacles here. He, material, wealth, and yet they're also compassionate. They're not a Scrooge. We're not dealing with Scrooge here from Dickens' story here, but there was an imbalance going on that needs to be addressed. And part of that has to do with, I see here you got these 2 oracle cards, hiding your true self and Queen of My World. I think here you need to realize that you have the power and are an incredible person, and you hiding your true self. And that's where I think there's stuff that's hidden, and it's your own holding back. I think the person who you think you should reach out to them, but you have to realize before you do so, you need to be honest with yourself. What is your expectations? And be true to who you are. Don't hide it. Don't feel that to be accepted by this person, you have to be something you're not. I think you don't realize that this person is open to, being a part of your life and wants to and cares. But perhaps there's been some deception because you haven't felt strong, and also you may have an expectation of this, of what you want to have happen with this person. I think you need to really realize that those expectations, be honest with yourself, follow that gut, that internal gut instinct. No matter how hard you want something to be, accept what you can have. All right? I think that's the thing. And it'll help you take power. You don't need this other person to feel complete and successful or to be queen of your world. That's you. You've got it already, babe. Honey, you got it. You've got the stuff. So be realistic when reaching out. That's what I'm going to say. Just be realistic. I love you guys. And hey, if this pile resonated with you, you know what to do. Comment down below. Drop me a DM. Whatever you'd like, just let me know what's going on and like the video. And I'll see you next time. We're moving on to pile 2. Hello, lovely pile 2. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, there's some stuff going on here. First, the big identifier I have going on here is the 8 of Wands. And there's been a lack of action. Okay, we're going to get into this. You need to take the action. Go forward, because things are coming forward for you personally. I see you're doing well. You are on top of the world. Things are going very well for you. But this person you're thinking of is just, you're too focused. It's imbalance. There's an imbalance with the Temperance card like this. And that imbalance, I mean, it's coming from you are focusing on certain aspects here with the 4 of Cups and not seeing what you already have, what there already is going on. And because see, when I look at this relationship with this other person, however, you know, I don't, intimate or family, a friend, it's toxic. I'm gonna put it out there for you. I think you need to realize here, you got calling the storm, girl, honey. You need to stand up for yourself and realize you are powerful. You need, this card is the sun card, this oracle card, and it's paint the sun back into your sky. You need to stop focusing on things, other things, and realize that you deserve sugar, not salt. And this is the Evil Queen card. You deserve so much better. And you need to rebuild yourself and heal from this. And you might not see how you need the healing. You haven't seen, you know, you probably have made a lot of excuses. So you need to rebuild your life. And you need more positive influences. Oh boy, do you. Because it's not balanced. But the good news is, good things are coming your way. And you need to stop, once again with this, stop focusing on this other person. Just, give yourself closure. Take the power and give yourself closure. You don't need to get it from them. Give it to yourself. And what I mean by that is, don't try and reach out to them trying to get some closure. Just say, I'm done. Because there is an abundance of something coming for you, and there is someone there that you haven't, you need to take a look at. All right. This was not what I had expected. I would had hoped for something, like, hey, this is great. You want to reach out? Don't reach out to this person. I personally wouldn't. I would not. I don't think it's healthy to do so. Don't be rash and go, but because you're missing out. Remember, you deserve better. You may not feel that you are at this point of success and doing well, and others are looking up to you. You need to own that. Because you need to realize you deserve so much. And you deserve better. You deserve to be treated better. You deserve to be respected. So, there you got it. I hope this little reading has been helpful to you. Please, if it has, comment down below. Message me privately. My socials are all down below also. And please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Bye. Hello, lovely pile 3. How are you all doing? Well, your cards are up there. I like seeing the star. The star is just so much hope. It's how, they always say, when you wish upon a star, but when I look at this, you have these 3 tarot cards. You have the 10 of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Empress. So when I see this, and then your oracle cards, we have Naked Before the Stars, Red, Forgive, Expectations, don't seek someone else's approval, or anyone's approval, I should say. And of course, I recently mentioned was the Star. Now, there's stuff going on here. Oh, there's some juicy tea here. You're down and out. You're struggling. You can't see what's right in front of you right now. But you've been working hard on yourself and in your career and in your life. And it's all going to be manifested. The manifestation of this is happening. And with that, there is this other person, which is going to remind you, this other person, you should reach out to them. They're here to remind you that to take care of yourself, to love yourself. You need to realize that Naked Before the Stars, look at her, the idea of a perfection, and you feel like flaws, embrace everything. It's not, you're not, there's nothing wrong with who you are, what you look like. And I think you blame yourself for things. And a lot of that is because you're trying to seek approval of this person, but you don't, or anyone, you don't need approval. Realize you are beautiful. And I think you need to forgive. And the forgiveness, there might be some forgiveness in yourself because you have such intense expectations and you feel like you're failing them, you're not meeting them, and you're like, there's nothing there, but you need to love yourself. This is a time for self-care. And the person going to reach out, follow your intuition, listen to these gut feelings, see, trust. And I think this person is going to help you. You just see that you are worthy of love, and you don't need to change to get love, to get acceptance. And when you want everyone's approval, I know you want this other person to approve of you, realize that sometimes what you're doing is counterintuitive, because they don't expect a person who's perfect. And I just see like a really motherly nature, a very nurturing presence who wants to help you heal, forgive yourself. Don't blame yourself for what others have done to you. Don't say, but maybe if you start going, should have done this, then stop right there. If you've been abused and hurt, neglected, you need to forgive yourself, because sometimes you put it on you put the burden here. See the burden on yourself, and you don't see the truth that it's not your fault. You know, some people say, oh, don't play the victim. Oh, honey, if you're the victim, you're the victim. And you have the right to be loved and to love yourself, okay? Things are changing. Luck is coming. Like I said, it's like things have kept you from being with this person, connecting with them. There's just been blockades, and it's turning around. The blockades are turning around, and you're going to learn from this experience about unconditional love and unconditional self-love. You need to love yourself. You don't need to try and please everyone else. That become pleasing everyone else becomes this burden. You're spread out too thin. You can't take care of things. You just need to stop. Forgive yourself for letting that happen. Yeah, you're exposed, and vulnerability, that's hard. Being vulnerable with someone, it's okay. Open up. Be vulnerable. Follow your intuition as things come to light in your life. And I wish you well. And if this reading was helpful for you, if it resonated, please let me know. You can comment down below. You can message me privately. My socials are down below here. Please like and subscribe to this channel. I hope you all are doing well, and be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Bye.